Hello, my friend. Today is the day. Getting a new set of Mickey Thompson Baja Boss all-terrain tires put on the Jeep. Replacing the old set that's been on there since I bought the Jeep in summer of 2021. There is currently 58,046 miles on the Jeep. Could probably go another few thousand miles before we start to hit the wear indicators, but it just feels like it's time to get them changed up. We'll see how it goes. In the first part of this video, we looked at the cabin noise of the 392 with the 35 by 12.5 Mickey Thompson Baja Boss ATs and compared it to the Sahara with stock 255/70R 18s. The Baja Boss ATs were relatively worn with about 54,000 miles. So now we have brand new Baja Boss ATs to see if there's any change in cabin noise. Oh, and these new ATs are 37s, but still 12.5 inches in width. So we'll see how that shakes out. It's pretty clear there really isn't a discernible difference between the worn ATs and the new ATs, even with 37s. Just as a bonus, here's what it sounds like from the road. If you watched the video until now, and you'd like this 35 by 12.5 Baja Boss AT that I had used as a spare, I'll meet one of you in the St. Augustine area to hand it off free of charge. It's actually in pretty perfect shape, just maybe a little sun-drenched. Just leave the comment, "I claim it," along with your Insta handle, and I'll pick one of you to hand it off to. As always, crush your ego, inflate yourself, follow your intuition, and find your everyday.